Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to view compatible keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheet on computer. So how to view compatible keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheet on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets workpage. To view compatible keyboard shortcuts, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Help menu, here a scrolling menu will appear. Many menu options. Tap the Keyboard Shortcuts menu. Here it will appear like this. At the bottom here there is a writing. View compatible spreadsheet shortcuts. And tap to see it. Now a menu like this will appear. Now here there are so many compatible keyboard shortcuts that you can use. Here there are 134 compatible keyboard shortcuts. So that's it, tutorial how to view compatible keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheet on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.